Okay, Hassan, this is grandfather clock. This is going to be your first one. Let me show you what you do. Okay, the main thing is that you don't want to touch these with your hands in there. And that what happens is you'll go ahead and get stuff from your hands. It'll tarnish the weight, so you need to get some paper or something that you can handle the weights. The weights hook up on here, on the hooks right here. And you take them off, set them in the bottle box, and then you take the pendulum. And it's just got a little hook like this. You just lift up on it, and it'll come on out, and we'll rep that as well. Okay.
If I could turn back time, if I could find a way, I'd take back those words that have hurt you, and you'd stay. I don't know why I did the things I did. I don't know why I said the things I said. Pride's like a knife, it can cut deep inside. Words are like weapons, they wound sometimes. I didn't really mean to hurt you. I didn't want to see you go. I know I made you cry, but baby, if I could turn back time, if I could find a way, I'd take back those words that have hurt you. You'd stay. If I could reach the stars, I'd give them all to you. Then you love me like you used to. If I could turn back time, my world was shattered, I was torn apart. Like someone took a knife and drove it deep in my heart. You walked out that door, I swore that I didn't care, but I lost everything, darling.
Now that we have taken out the weights and the pendulum, I'm going to pat it and wrap it so it can look like that over there.